What's going on, YouTube Gardener? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. Now, growing up, my mother used to fix us hamburger helper without the hamburger. Now, Rob the Sapper Gardener, I put a link down to his video down below. He did a craft, basically hamburger helper mac and cheese style. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do a vegan hamburger helper macaroni and cheese style. So let's get growing. So for this dish, we're just going to be doing 2 cups of elbow noodles, 4 cups of vegetable broth, some olive oil, some Italian season, cracked pepper, some Himalaya pink salt. We're going to use some cayenne pepper, some chili, and some Spanish paprika, some bell peppers. At the end, we're going to throw in some broccoli. And then we couldn't find the normal vegan meat that we normally go with, so we got this from Morningstar. And Mrs. Naked Garden made some pepper sauce, and from the puree of this, we've been saving and adding it into our dishes. So I'm gonna use a trifecta or a trinity with this, some onions and some garlic with this. And then we got some cheese sauce because I don't feel like making cheese sauce. This is a good cheese sauce to use. They have also Alfredo sauce that they go with. So what we're going to do is we're going to take half an onion and then some garlic. We're going to chop these up along with the peppers, and then we're going to start put some oil in the pan, fry that up a little bit, and then continue adding on some of the seasons from there. All right. All right. So now we're going to add the onions. You can probably get a little bit of that in there. We're going to let that sweat out a little bit. Get some nice color to it. All right, now we're going to add the garlic. And we're going to use some of this pepper sauce, about that much. We're going to let this cook for about 2-3 minutes. Now that's been brewing, we're going to add some of the seasoning. This is cayenne pepper. I'm going to probably do a little bit since we're going to get the pepper roux, and we're going to probably add some crushed red peppers in there. Going to get some paprika. And some chili powder. Then we're going to do some Italian seasoning. can do some Himalaya salt. Some crushed black pepper. We're gonna stir this up and then add the meat. So this is how the meat comes out with. We let it kind of defrost a little bit. It's plant-based, so you don't have to worry about cooking it all the way through. Just enough just to get it warmed up. Now we're going to add about 4 cups of vegetable broth. Now, if you're going to make a homemade cheese sauce, you could use about 3 cups of water or broth with some milk, some soy milk or whatever like that, but that's just too much work. We're trying to make this just simple as possible. Alright, there. We'll save some of the liquids for later on, just in case if the pasta evaporates all of it, we can add it in there. So when we add the cheese, it'll be nice. Now you don't have to use the elbow macaroni or pasta. You could use whatever pasta that you want. Since we're just doing the Hamburger Helper traditional mac and cheese version, we're going with the elbow one. Just need 2 cups. Bring this up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, we'll put it on a nice simmer for about 10-15 minutes. And then we'll come back and do a little taste to see if we need to add some salt, some pepper, or whatever seasoning that we may need to do. And then we'll all right. So these cheese sauces that I just showed you, they normally come 3 in a box. So what we do is just cut the corner off of that and just squeeze it out. And normally I don't like vegan cheese because of the texture of it, but this one is not too bad.
This one's delicious.
Yeah, I like this one, and they, like I said, they have the Alfredo sauce one that I enjoy.
I tricked Junior to eat vegan mac and cheese using this cheese. He couldn't tell.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll probably add 1 more pouch in there. But before we do that, we're going to add some broccoli to this. And this is optional. You don't have to add broccoli if you don't like broccoli or don't want broccoli in there. Maybe we need to put the other bag. Mix that up, and then we'll add bag in there. I mean, it is mac and cheese, right? Hamburger mac and cheese. All right. So we're gonna stir this up, let it simmer again for about another 2 minutes. Matter of fact, let's see if we need to add. This is a perfect time to taste test. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's good. All right, so we're gonna let this simmer for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna be serving it up, and it's that easy. All right, 2 minutes have passed. We added some more broccoli in there because we love broccoli. So let's see how this is. All right. Look at that deliciousness. So we got the elbow noodles, we got the peppers, we got the seasoning, we got the vegan meat. Let's get a little bit of everything ready. Mmm. Yes. I like it. Mmm. 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 Woo! That's good. That's real good. Woo! Yeah.
Feeling yourself.
That is some good vegan style hamburger helper mac and cheese version. I think I should sell this, babe. You think I should sell it? I'm gonna sell this bag. I'm gonna can it and we're gonna sell it. Now this is not our first recipe video. I'll put a card above here to show you some other videos that we did of cooking in the kitchen. So until the next video, let's grow together.